Hey guys, today on Courtney Sweets we're going to be trying some new ice creams that we found. As you know, my son has a dairy allergy, so we're always excited to find something that he can eat, and this is Oatly's new to us ice cream bars. I found them at my local Wegmans and we're super excited to try them. We've already tried the chocolate, which is super delicious. And then we found some salted caramel. We've also found vanilla and strawberry. We found these at our local Wegmans. They may not be easy to find. You can maybe find them on a store locator. We got really lucky finding all 4 flavors. Let's try them out. What we really like about this product is it says no nuts, no dairy, no gluten on the front. And he can't have dairy, he cannot have nuts, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no dairy, no lactose. So these are definitely safe for him, but if you're super sensitive, you know, you have to be careful. They do have some cross-contamination where they have the cleaning protocols. We are comfortable with their protocols for cleaning. We've had no issues. He drinks Oatly without an issue, so we are okay with using this product, but you have to do your own due diligence with food allergies. But if you're vegan, these are also vegan. All right, let's give them a try. You ready? You ready for ice cream? Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what'd you do? Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. Okay. Daddy's gonna help us open them? No, you're gonna open them? So first up, we have vanilla. Woo! So first up, we have vanilla. Ooh, it looks delicious. Should we give it a bite? Here's the vanilla. There's no swirls or anything inside. You want to try it? Tastes like a chocolate covered ice cream bar. Is that good? Do you like it? Say, it's yummy. Want to try? We got more to try. What do you think? Does it get a thumbs up? Let's try some more. This one's yummy. Alright, now we have chocolate. Chocolate. How do you say chocolate? Chocolate. My mom was from Brooklyn. This should have swirls inside.
Yeah.
Again, it's just that chocolate coating on the outside. Now we did try this one and I really love it. It's got chocolate swirls inside and baby loves it too. It's super delicious. It's so creamy, so decadent. And you really wouldn't know that it is not milk. Like, you wouldn't believe that there's no cream in this at all. It's made from oats. Is that good? Baby loves this one as well. This is my favorite thing so far. Now you can see some of the swirls. There's like these fudgy swirls in this, and it's really delicious. Yum. This is so good. The vanilla's good, but it doesn't have much flavor. Right? No, he wants chocolate again. Here we go with the salted caramel. Again, it's just the chocolate shell. We're gonna take a bite. I got all fell. I'm not too big of a fan of this.
Uh-oh,
I dropped a piece of chocolate. This reminds me of my mom's coffee as a kid. Like, I mean, it's okay. I would eat it if it was like my only option. But it has like a strong flavor of that caramel. And it almost tastes like coffee creamer. Like a hazelnut coffee creamer. Not loving it. I wouldn't buy this one again. But if you like that flavor, you can definitely get this one. Way too sweet. I will say I love the non-dairy Magnum dessert bars, but the only issue is I can't eat those anymore because he can't have almonds and neither can he. So these are definitely safe for both of us. So here we go. I'm super excited. This is strawberry. It's our last flavor to try. I'm so excited. Chocolate and strawberry, what could be better? Ready? So it's almost like having a chocolate covered strawberry. They could even do raspberry, which would be good. Oh my goodness. I really like this one. Oh my. It's like sweet and tart from the strawberry. And then that dark chocolate. And again, it's so creamy. The ice cream is so creamy. If you ever had Oatly ice cream, I mean, you can't even tell that it's non-dairy. Right? Do you like this one or no? Mommy likes it. I think this one might be my favorite. And no, I don't give him ice cream often. This is just a sweet treat here and there. Like, he gets a few bites. And as you can see, he doesn't really get many bites, if you can tell. I will say, my favorites are chocolate and strawberry. So we go chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and then salted caramel. And I'm really not a big fan of the salted caramel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you definitely have to go and get them and give them a try. I think they were like $5 to $6 a box. And when you think about it, what you pay like for the ice cream truck, you're getting a great deal because you get, how many are in a box? There's 3 in a box, so that's $2 a piece. And then if you buy from an ice cream truck, it's usually like $3. So when my daughter gets ice cream, we now have a safe alternative for me and the little big man. Oh my gosh, look at that chocolate face. Oh no. You want more chocolate? He wants more. All right, we hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, we got chocolate. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ow.